Alibaba just released one of the biggest AI models ever built. It is called Qwen 3.8 Max, and it has a massive 2.4 trillion total parameters. It can build software, understand images and videos, and work on complex projects for days without losing track of the goal. Later in this video, I will show you the smaller Qwen models you can run on your own hardware, giving you more control over your data and potentially lowering the cost of building AI systems for clients. I am Paul James. I show solo operators how to use AI tools to make money without the subscription stack eating into profit before you have made your first dollar. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the full system for turning tools like this into actual paying clients, the 435 Mistake course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That discount only shows for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is live. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. Here is what makes the Qwen ecosystem so interesting. The most powerful AI models usually come with monthly subscriptions or API charges. Those costs might seem small once you have paying clients, but when you are starting from zero, every recurring bill cuts into money you have not even made yet. I know that pressure because I started in my brother's garage with no budget and no clients. I could not afford to keep adding new software bills while waiting for my first payment to arrive. Qwen gives you more flexibility. You can start with its convenient hosted tools, then move selected projects to one of its open weight models when you need greater control over costs, infrastructure, or client data. You are not locked into using the same setup for every project. This leads to what I call the flexible intelligence framework. Instead of depending on one model for every project, you choose based on what the client actually needs. Use Qwen 3.8 Max through the cloud when you need maximum capability and convenience. For projects where privacy, control, or local deployment matters more, consider one of Qwen's smaller open weight models on compatible hardware. The advantage is having both options instead of forcing every client into the same setup. Here's what this could look like for someone building AI assistants for local businesses. A dental office gets the same questions every day about hours, insurance, appointments, and rescheduling. You organize their approved information into a secure knowledge base, connect Qwen, and create rules for when something needs to be passed to staff. The client is not paying for another chatbot, they are paying for a system that handles repetitive administrative questions while their team focuses on patients. Let's keep building. I have also tested Qwen 3.8 Max across coding projects, including web applications, landing pages, games, and tools with more complex interface logic. My early results have been impressive, although it still requires testing and debugging like any AI coding model. I also connected it to the same multi-step workflow system I use with Claude, where it performed competitively across many of the tasks I tested. And that is the real shift. You are no longer limited to one AI provider. You can test multiple models, choose the one that fits the project, and avoid paying a premium when a more flexible option can deliver the result your client needs. Now here's where most people get this wrong. They see a powerful model and assume they can connect it to client data and immediately have a working business system. But the model is only the engine. A reliable service still needs accurate source material, privacy controls, testing, conversation management, and clear rules for when a human needs to step in. Think about a local HVAC company with hundreds of old inquiries stored in its customer system. You could use Qwen to help draft personalized follow-up messages based on the service each person originally requested. But before sending anything, you need to confirm that the company has permission to contact those leads, include the required opt-out options, and review the messages for accuracy. You then connect the approved drafts to a proper sending system and monitor the campaign. The client is not paying for access to Qwen. They are paying for a complete lead reactivation system that has been built, tested, and managed for them. Or imagine a logistics company with hundreds of pages of training material scattered across PDFs and Word documents. Employees waste time searching through files or repeatedly asking managers the same questions. You organize those documents into a secure knowledge base and connect them to an AI assistant. An employee can ask, "How do I file a vehicle incident report?" and receive an answer based on the company's approved documentation. When a policy changes, you update the knowledge base. That creates an ongoing service because the client is paying for the setup, testing, maintenance, and time saved across the business. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. And if you want the step-by-step framework for turning tools like this into a real client service, the 435 Mistake course is linked in the description. It is normally $197, but viewers coming from this video can access it for under $30. Comment below and let me know if you are taking me up on that offer. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle more of the repetitive work, I have also linked my vlog channel in the description below. Here is another example. Picture a solo operator creating social media content for 5 local businesses: a gym, a coffee shop, a real estate agent, a landscaping company, and a boutique. Each week, she gives Qwen the approved brand guidelines, upcoming promotions, and selected performance data for each client. The model helps create first drafts for Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Instead of spending hours staring at a blank page, she starts with a complete batch of ideas. She still checks every claim, adjusts the brand voice, protects private client information, and gets approval before anything is published. Depending on the work included, she could package those 5 accounts into a combined monthly retainer. Her software costs may stay relatively low, but hosted AI usage, scheduling software, storage, and other tools can still create expenses. The advantage is not that the entire operation costs nothing. It is that she can produce more efficiently without immediately building an expensive software stack. Now let's return to the important setup layer I mentioned earlier, conversation management. Language model, AP, is do not automatically remember every previous conversation. Your application normally stores the relevant messages and sends selected information back to the model with each new request. You might keep the most recent exchanges, summarize older conversations, and retrieve relevant information from the client's knowledge base when it is needed. That helps the assistant stay consistent without stuffing every past message into every request. There is no magic setting that tells Qwen to remember exactly 10 exchanges forever. Keep too little information, and the assistant may lose the thread. Send too much, and you can increase processing time and usage costs. The right setup depends on the client, the conversation, and the information the assistant needs to complete the task. That is one of the differences between a chatbot demo and a system that can handle real business conversations. Now here is the deployment option I promised you at the beginning. Qwen 3.8 Max is the powerful hosted model we have been discussing. You access it through the cloud, which makes it convenient but also creates usage costs and dependence on an outside provider. If a project requires greater control over its data or infrastructure, Qwen also offers separate open-weight models that can run on compatible local or rented hardware. These are not downloadable versions of Qwen 3.8 Max, and they will not match the flagship model on every task, but they can still be useful for carefully selected workloads. Running an open-weight model also does not make the entire system free. You still need suitable hardware, storage, electricity, security, monitoring, and someone capable of maintaining it. But it gives you another option. You can use the hosted flagship when a project needs maximum capability and convenient access. You can consider an open-weight model when privacy, control, or reduced dependence on an outside platform matters more. That is the real opportunity inside the Qwen ecosystem. You are not forced to use the same model and infrastructure for every client. You can choose the setup that fits the actual job. Imagine what you could build once you understand both sides. You could offer carefully scoped AI assistants, internal knowledge tools, compliant lead reactivation workflows, or content production services. The client is not paying you to resell access to a chatbot. They are paying you to choose the right technology, connect their information, test the system, maintain it, and turn it into something that produces a useful business result. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.